In order to understand in a better way the product life cycle costing, let's move into the one illustration. In Organic Chemicals Limited is about to replace its old boiler requirement either by a coal-fired system or by an oil-fired system. Finance cost 15% a year and other estimated costs are as follows. Initial cost of boiler for the coal fired system it is 70,000 rupees and for the oil fired system it is 1 lakh rupees. Then annual operating costs 60,000 per annum for the coal fired system and 45,000 rupees per annum for the oil fired system. If the company expected the new boiler system to last at least 15 years, which system should be chosen? So here the major task is we have to calculate what may be the total life cycle cost of both coal fired system as well as the oil fired system. And we have the one important information is that the lifespan of the both coal fired system as well as oil fired system is 15 years we are finding. 15 years is the lifespan we are finding with respect to these two systems. In this problem particularly, consumer product is not there, actually industrial product is there, that we are calling here as either coal fired system or oil fired system of boiler in the organization, in the company. So our task is right now is actually in the organization old boiler system has reached its almost decline stage. So now Organic Chemicals Limited wanted to replace the old boiler system with the new boiler system. So in front of the Organic Chemicals Limited it is having the two options. One is coal fired system, another one is oil fired system. It is having as a options here. So it wanted to pick one out of this one. So right now we have to calculate what may be the total life cycle cost offered for the coal fired system if the company adopted in the organization for 15 years, and if the oil fired system is adopted with the organization, and what may be the total life cycle cost for 15 years the company is supposed to incur for the oil fired system. That cost we have to calculate here. So based on the total life cycle cost of the each boiler system, company would like to come with the one decision here. So based on this information, let us move towards the solution for this problem. Calculation of new boiler system of Organic Chemicals Limited under life cycle costing. So here what we have to do, we should take into account what all the cost we are going to incur for a particular asset or particular product for its entire life, for its entire 15 years life we have to take into account here. Initial cost 70,000 rupee for the coal fired system, we have been taken that one. Then annual operating cost actually 60,000 rupee per annum, like that for the 15 years it is 9 lakh rupees. Then if you move into the oil fired system, initial cost was 1 lakh rupees plus annual operating cost, that is every year 45,000 rupees there, so that for the 15 years it is 6,75,000 rupee. And as a whole we are finding by combining initial cost as well as the annual operating cost for 15 years, total life cycle cost for 15 years for the coal fired system is 9,70,000 rupees, and for the oil fired system it is 7,75,000 rupees. So this shows what is the possibility in front of the that Organics Chemical Limited. So according to this total life cycle cost for the 15 years of coal fired as well as the oil fired system, so it may take the decision based on the least cost yielding system. So out of these two, which is the least cost yielding system? That is oil fired system is the least cost yielding for the whole 15 years of its life. So that we have to pick here by being a organization or by being an advisor to the that Organics Chemical Limited company, we may recommend that oil fired system is the best one for replacement of its old boiler system than coal fired system. So thank you for listening.